Okay, my YouTube family and friends. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I'm just hoping that all is well where you guys are. I'm hoping all is well where you are. Yeah. So, it's late, very late, but I decided to do a little late run only because, you know, it's not heavy, it's nice, it's all vegetables, and I just wanted to make sure that in the morning my brother and my husband get something very healthy for breakfast. My brother leaves out early for school. And sometimes he's running out and the oatmeal is not ready and all that. But with this, they can get up and get something with a slice of bread, and that will be good for them. I'm hoping that all is well wherever you are, guys. It's all colorful. I like my vegetables nice and colorful. It's bubbling nicely. So you have a little bit of everything in there with some codfish. And so that will be good for them. Good for all of us. Yesterday we had some snapper, and tomorrow they'll have that. So guys, just giving thanks to all things, right? Just giving thanks wherever you are. Just give thanks. Just give thanks. Just give thanks because we are beyond blessed and we have to live in hope and faith and love. So we hope that faith will protect. In faith, a little bit is like a mustard seed. And if we have hope enough, we will be renewed. When we have love, we are strengthened. So let us practice those, guys, and let us remember that we are blessed no matter what the situations are. That we are very blessed. So we need to take a moment to be thankful. And when we're thankful, then we can also remember that love is forever. Whether it's marriage, whether it's your children. Remember, your children is a reflection of you. So don't ever think that, okay, the kids are no good, the kids are this and that. They are a reflection of us. So let us remember to encourage them, empower them. Let them know that they're filled with greatness and goodness and love. Let them know that hard work is not a shame and it's not a sin. Hard work is good. Good ambition, wanting to do well. Nothing is wrong with it. It's a good thing. And just let them know that you're proud of them and you're always there for them. Never be afraid to use the words to them that you love them, no matter what their deficiencies are. Remind them that you love them, you cherish them, you care for them, you care about them, and so that they can have this foundation that will encourage them to do well. Let them know that when they do the wrong things, you're disappointed. Don't tell them, don't cuss at them and cuss them out, put them down. Tell them you're disappointed and have your good conversations with them. Guide them, people. Just guide them and hope that we can have a better future for them. All right, so again, I'm in the kitchen tonight. It's a little late, but I know why I'm doing it this late. So there's no problem, guys. Cook your meals when you can. Just cook. Today I was just really busy. I was making a lot of t-shirts today. Was doing the I was doing a lot of doing the cricket, and so it took me a long time to get them together. I haven't even gone downstairs yet to start printing them, but tomorrow I guess I'm going to, by God's grace, that I will do the finishing touches on them. So guys, be good to yourselves, love yourselves, because love is forever. Just embrace it, guys, embrace it. Give it, if you keep it, it's no good, but you love yourself and then you can dish it out to all those around you. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, be good to yourselves, respect yourselves, Embrace who you are with kindness, with gentleness, and go forth and do the good you can do in love. Good night, my family. Good night. Take care of yourselves. Bye.